For those of you that don't know the T-scan, that don't, let's face it, you guys, a T-scan, you have the only device on the planet that does what it does. Now, why am I happy to talk about this? If you had competition, there might be an ethical discussion here about, so we get no payment from T-scan to do this, all right, whatsoever. We're not paid to say good things about T-scan. Let's just put that out there. And moreover, you have the only technology in the world capable of not just measuring pressure, but the first contact point and the amount of pressure. Whereas paper, occlusion paper, only measures where it touches. It doesn't measure the amount of force. It doesn't measure the complete area, and it doesn't measure which contact point touches first. And if you're doing restorative dentistry in composite or in ceramics or in zirconia, you have to know what contact point happens first. So the combination of the T-scan and then the paper, that combination is absolutely, it's just, there's nothing like it. And you can understand how that can save you money by making sure that you don't have fractures and stress down the line, not just your ceramics that can break, not just the problems in your patient's TMJ and all of that, but also it's just something very easy, very quick, and the training is very, very fast. It's very intuitive. Yes, you have to get past the financial investment and maybe a little bit of training, but if you are doing restorative dentistry, it's an absolute no-brainer.